How to hide contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Log into your account. Hold on to the chat you want to hide. Then you will find box-like option at the top right with arrow. Click on it. As you can see now, chat has disappeared and it is hidden. To simply search for this chat, you can simply click on archived at the top. And there you will find the chats you have hidden in the list. You can also unhide by simply holding onto it and clicking on archive or same button at the top right again. And this is how to hide contacts on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.